Hey, so what are the benefits of Jungle Scout? Let me share them with you in this video. And I've been myself a user of Jungle Scout since 2016, and I've been selling on Amazon since 2016. I'm still actively selling. So what are the benefits? I'm going to share them with you in this video. In the description, you're going to find the best discounts for Jungle Scout and the best offers, and also a playlist with over 100 Jungle Scout tutorials that show you how to use different parts of Jungle Scout. So what are the benefits? So let's see the features here, and I'll explain to you the benefits of the feature and kind of what it can help you do on Amazon as a seller. Okay, so of course, for all these tools that you're seeing, browser extension, keyword scout, and all those tools, I have the playlist of tutorials where I show you how to use them. But let's quickly run through them, and so I can explain to you how it can benefit you on Amazon. So for Jungle Scout, so first one is browser extension. This tool allows you to kind of research for products, research different niches, and validate products. In case you want to sell products on Amazon as a private label seller, then you can use the extension to browse through the Amazon marketplace and see different criteria for different products, like the amount of sales, the amount of revenue a product does per month, and way more. I have the full tutorial for the extension for you in that playlist as well, like about 40-minute tutorial where I'll show you how to use the extension. By the way, I'm on a pricing page here. There's also the price of Jungle Scout. It's also linked down in the description for you, the pricing page, also with the best discount. So that was the browser extension, product research, basically product validation. Keyword Scout is good for keyword research on Amazon and also product research, because mainly products on Amazon are based on keywords. So for example, people are searching for kitchen shears. That's one of the products that I used to sell in the beginning of my Jungle Scout career, or like Amazon career, basically as an Amazon seller. So Keyword Scout can help you find the best keywords for a specific product. So for example, kitchen shears, kitchen scissors, kitchen shears for your kitchen, or sharp kitchen scissors. Okay, all the semantic core of keywords that represent your product, Keyword Scout can help you find. So that's a pretty cool tool. Again, for that, I have a tutorial as well in that playlist of tutorials. You can also search on maybe YouTube or Google, like Keyword Scout, Jungle Scout, Vova Evan. That's my name. Great to meet you. So you'll find my tutorials. Hopefully they're going to be useful for you. The next thing is product tracker. So you can basically track the different changes to products that you've put in the tracker. So you can see how their sales change, how the kind of information for this product and the data changes over time. So you can track different products, and this will help you when you're searching for products. You're going to follow some niches, see how different products are doing. So it's good for product research as well, product validation. Rank tracker helps you track the rank of your keywords on Amazon. So basically, let's say you launch those kitchen shears and now you're ranking for kitchen scissors, kitchen shears, and you're going to see which page you're on, which organic position you're on. So it's going to help you understand, is your product moving in the search? Let's say you turn on your pay-per-click campaigns, PPC, and you're targeting a specific keyword. You start getting sales for kitchen shears, stainless steel, and in the rank tracker you can see if the rank is moving, or maybe it lost, like you lost rank for some keyword. What happened? You can follow and see what happened. Maybe there's a new competitor that entered, maybe someone's outbidding you in your PPC. Rank tracker is very good tool. Opportunity Finder, the next tool here, is a tool that helps you with the product research on Amazon, also find opportunities for products and basically find products. So I have, again, tutorials for all those. Listing Builder with AI is a tool that helps you build Amazon listings. So you can input some keywords into it, and AI can help you build listings very fast, like very, very fast in a few clicks. You can have a ready Amazon listing, and that's pretty cool, I think, with like the relevant keywords and all that. Product Database is similar to Opportunity Finder in a way. It's a product for product research. It's a tool for product research. So I have videos that show you how to use those tools, Product Database, Product Finder, and everything that you're seeing here actually. Review Automation is a cool tool that helps you automate review requests. Okay, so it's gonna help you automatically ask for reviews from people that bought from you. I think it's a good tool as well. Supplier Database is a cool thing that I think only Jungle Scout has in the industry. Basically, it helps you organize your suppliers in one place, but also find suppliers for products based on different kind of algorithms that Jungle Scout has. It's a pretty cool tool for supplier kind of hunting or finding. And also in my tutorials, I show you how to use this as well. Sales Analytics is a tool that helps you with seeing your profits on Amazon, your loss. So you can see your sales and analytics, or sales analytics. If you input the right data into Jungle Scout, you'll be able to see what's your profit. So if you put the kind of the cost of goods here, then with Sales Analytics, you'll be able to see how much you're making. And also Sales Analytics, I have tutorials for that. Academy is basic course by Jungle Scout for how to sell on Amazon, how to use Jungle Scout. It's available with all the plans, and I'd recommend you going through it to understand the basics of Jungle Scout and selling on Amazon. Also, there's the bigger course by Jungle Scout, Freedom Builder Bootcamp. I have the review of this course as well and the best offers for it. It's an A to Z course for beginners. Even advanced sellers might find some information there that's going to be useful useful, but mostly it's for beginners, how to sell on Amazon. And I went through this course myself, and I think it's good for beginners. And it's by Jungle Scout, by Greg Mercer. He's a seller that has done over, I believe, 8 figures on Amazon. So that's pretty cool as a result. So advertising analytics is a tool that helps you with your PPC on Amazon, with your pay-per-click ads on Amazon, helps you organize them, helps you automate them somewhat. So I have also a video that shows you how to use that tool. Inventory Manager is going to help you manage your inventory on Amazon so you don't go out of stock, so you don't overstock. You can kind of add basically the time it takes to create your product, time it takes to ship your product, and then together with the sales that Jungle Scout will pull from your Amazon account, Jungle Scout will be able to tell you when to order more inventory or when not, how many days you have left in stock. Pretty good tool. Alerts tool is going to help you with different things that change on your listing. So if your price suddenly changes, because that sometimes happens on Amazon, or your category changes, or maybe the dimensions of your product change, which is sometimes something that happens on Amazon, you'll get notified quickly to your email. You need to respond quickly to those things, because otherwise you might lose money or ranking, or that's kind of together all leads to not good things on Amazon. So you need to have alerts set for your products, definitely. So that's one thing that Jungle Scout can help you with as well. FBA Reimbursements, pretty new thing by Jungle Scout. They've partnered with Seller Investigators, a company for reimbursements. And now kind of together, they can help you with reimbursements. So what does it mean? You can get money back from Amazon for lost and damaged goods. So let's say Amazon loses your products sometimes. Yes, it does happen. Sometimes they damage them, and sometimes they owe you money for that. Those companies like Seller Investigators, now partnered with Jungle Scout, can help you get that money back. You can also check out the link in the description for a special deal for Seller Investigators that it can get you. But Jungle Scout also is kind of partnered with them now. So that's nice, because they never had this before, the reimbursements option. Now they have partnered with the guys, and now they can provide this option to the sellers. So you can read more about Seller Investigators in the description and get a special deal to work with them. And Category Trends is a tool that helps you see like top products in different categories. So Jungle Scout can benefit you with this way. In the screen here, you're going to have the playlist of Jungle Scout tutorials that shows you how to use different parts of Jungle Scout that you're seeing here. And I have a video, I believe, for almost every tool here. So you can either use Google or that playlist to find my tutorials. Hopefully they'll be useful for you. And the best discount for Jungle Scout are also in the description. Hopefully this was helpful for you, and I'm wishing you a great day and life.